Good morning. Good morning to all the third BCom and general students, as well as all the BSc students, physics, electronics, maths and stat students. So today's topic is about environmental degradation. The subject is Introduction to Indian Economy. Previous class we learned about the occupational structure, and today we are going to learn about the environmental degradation. So let's see the meaning of environmental degradation. Before going to the environmental degradation, what is environment? Okay, the atmosphere is surrounded on the earth, or the atmosphere surrounded us also comes under the environment. So see the degradation meaning here. Mother nature, the natural environment with all its ecosystem, services, compromises the entire basis for life on the planet. Its value is therefore impossible to quantify or even model. So nature is existing, ecosystem is existing with all its services which are helping for the basic life on the planet. Its value is therefore impossible to measure the value of this ecosystem what is existing for us. So what is environmental degradation? It is a result of socio-economically, technologically and institutional activities. Degradation occurs when Earth's natural resources are depleted. These resources includes what here? Water, air, soil. Degradation also shows the impacts on wildlife, plants, animals and microorganisms. Environment, nature, which is available with water, air, soil, land, atmosphere. So degradation means what? Depleting. What we are depleting? Decreasing. What we are decreasing? These resources, whatever are available, we are decreasing or misusing these all things. So we are the reason. So socio is given there. Socio means people. Okay, their style of living, their way of living, their culture, their traditions. Okay, these all comes under socio. Economic, why the life is affected for the development. Economics means what? Economical means what we need first. We need basic things like food, clothing and shelter. Along with this food, clothing and shelter, the other basic needs also like pure drinking water, electricity, housing, transport, education, health. These also affects the human life. They also play an important and crucial life in this environment where we stay. So these two conditions, which two conditions? Social pattern of the life as well as the economical needs of the people are improving the technology. So as the technology is growing, what is happening is there is a pollution. So we are spoiling this nature or the environment which is available because of our selfishness. That is development of ours, human beings, we are spoiling these all. So degradation occurs when Earth's natural resources are decreasing. Why these are decreasing? We are continuously using. Why we are using? Because we need of. We have some wants. Wants are unlimited. Today we want something, tomorrow we want something. Okay. So as our way of life is changing, as the modernization is coming, as we are earning more and more in day-to-day life, our taste and preference are also changing. As the taste and preference changes, what is happening is usage of the economic resources are also increasing. We want many varieties in particular commodity. These many varieties are affecting us, which are also affecting the atmosphere indirectly. Okay, what we are spoiling, what we are misusing? Water, air, soil. Pollution we are doing for these resources, which leads to environmental degradation. Because we are misusing the water, because we are polluting the air, we are also polluting the soil. What is happening? Plants are not able to grow properly. We are making deforestation. Why the forests are decreasing? Because we want luxurious life. if you want the luxurious life, what you want in your house should be bought from the plants, that is forest trees. So forest is decreasing 1 point. We want houses for the construction of the houses. We want industries because want should be satisfied. So because of construction of the industries, transport facilities, the forest area is decreasing, where we are causing soil erosion, soil pollution also. Plants are decreasing. Wildlife, because the forests are decreased. Okay, we are not giving the life, we are spoiling the life and disturbing the life of the wildlife which is existing in this forest. Even the microorganisms also we are disturbing. So this disturbance of this atmosphere is called as environmental degradation. I hope that you understood the meaning of the second environmental degradation. And we are also spoiling the high quality of exhausted gases, secondary pollutants, high number of industries such as mining, chemical influence, unplanned land use policies. These are also the few reasons how we are causing the pollution for this environment. Next is the effects of the major effects of this environmental problems on both health and productivity are water pollution and water scarcity. Whatever water is available, we are not able to use properly. Of course, we are wasting it. Because we are wasting this water, what is happening is scarcity is coming. What is the meaning of scarcity? Shortage of water. Where the agriculture is done, there we are not able to supply appropriate water because we are not able to construct the dams and protect the rainwater or save the rainwater. We are not able to save the rainwater. Conservation of this water is not done. Because the conservation of water is not done, there is a chances for the water scarcity. Water pollution. As urban life is increasing, what is happening is people being educated, they are throwing the garbage in the water. 1 point. Many industries are sending the waste into this water, which is also one of the reason for water pollution. Air pollution, of course, industries, all the industries are releasing the bad gases or the poisonous gases into the atmosphere, which is one of the reason for air pollution, as well as chlorofluorocarbons, which are coming out from our vehicles. Okay, we want car, we want motorcycle, we want all the different varieties of transport. Increasing transportation also is also one of the reason for air pollution. Solid and hazard waste. So recently government is taking many measures to control this solid waste pollution by giving the 2 types of dustbins, that is wet and dry. But being educated, we never follow this because we know what is solid waste, we also know the dry and the wet waste also, but we throw it together at a particular place, which are the reasons for different hazards for this solid waste reason. Soil degradation, because of cutting down the plants, because construction purpose. Okay, factories are constructed, and real estate, as the real estate is growing, what they are doing is they are closing all the rivers. On that rivers also the people are closing the land and selling the land for the real estate. Deforestation, as we all know, deforestation is nothing but decreasing population of the plants or forest areas. Because of deforestation, what is happening? Atmospheric humidity is increasing. Atmosphere is becoming hot day by day. Climatical conditions are changing. Okay, so because of the climatical conditions are changing, rainy season, rains are not coming. Okay, winter season, the atmosphere is not cool. As well as we are also disturbing ourselves by the deforestation. Loss of biodiversity. There is no existence of greenery. There is no existence of small organisms. Nowadays we are not able to see the sparrow also. We are not able to see many number of birds. Many organisms are missing from this ecosystem because of deforestation, because of air pollution and water pollution. So that is nothing but loss of biodiversity. Atmospheric changes. These all are the reasons for the atmospheric changes. Ozone layer is depleting day by day. What is the meaning of ozone layer? The topmost layer which is protecting the earth. How this layer is depleting? Because this air pollution is creating the toxic chemicals which are making the holes for these ozone layers, and ozone layer is becoming depleted, and radiations, sun's radiations are directly coming onto the earth, and they are causing different types of skin diseases, and different types of diseases are coming into the human being's body. So this is one of the reasons for the atmospheric changes, live example for the atmospheric changes. Next, when you come for some solutions to this environmental degradation, means how can we avoid these problems, and how can we develop, or how can we set right this environment? Afforestation. What is the meaning of afforestation? Planting the small herbs or plants. Plantation, starting the plantation. So here I want to give an example to the students. For birthdays, you celebrate in a grand way or in a big way by cutting the cakes and giving the treats to your friends. A small request I make to all the students that on your birthday, you keep one small plant. You buy one small pot, okay, keep one plant. As the year passes, the plant is going to grow. You may tell me that we are staying in an apartment and there is no place for us to keep the plant. Okay, you keep in flower pots. A small flower pot is enough. Okay, so here starts the solution. When everyone in the country changes, everyone in the world should get the inspiration that plants should grow. We should give the place for the plants. It should come from the bottom of the heart to every person. Then only there is a success of afforestation. Simply saying planting, okay, we kept the plant there, we kept the plant here, okay, CM is doing, KCR is doing. These all things are not afforestation. It should come from the heart of every person. Yes, let me keep one plant. 123 crores of population is existing. Every one plants a small plant, means definitely there is a chance of afforestation. Don't wait for anyone. You start from your side. Okay. Mixed crops or crop rotation is also one of the reasons how can we protect the soil erosion. Okay. Today, this 3 months you grow rice crops. Next 3 months you grow potato. So why potato? Because roots are there. Potato is growing underground. Rice is growing top of the ground. When you interchange the crops, what is happening? When you pull the roots, these potatoes from the earth's crust, the downmost layer is coming up. So automatically what is happening is the soil, there is a mix up of soil. So automatically soil fertility may not lose. So good crops farming may be done. What is drip irrigation? Drip irrigation is a new innovative method of supplying water to the crops in the form of a thin pipelines, very small pipelines. The petrol pipeline, we can say, every second 1 drop of water is going to fall to these plants. 1 drop of water is going to come for these plants. Every drop. So by this what is happening is land is always wet. Water is not wasted. Okay, so drip irrigation is one point. Stocking your land. Okay, in spite of constructing, you have 2-3 lands. In spite of using all the 3 lands for construction of the houses only, why don't you use one land for plantation, growing nursery or growing any crop or any type of plantation? Okay, in that way you make a choice of your area what is existing to you. Purchase recycled products. So it is compulsory nowadays, everyone should think about the products what you are purchasing, whether it can be recycled or not. Of course, the cost may be more, but you are stopping the pollution so that your kids in future may stay healthy life. Conservation of water, protect water, don't waste water. Conservation of energy, please don't waste the energy also. You may ask a question, how I am wasting my this energy? Okay, so a small example I'll give you how you are not wasting the energy, how you are wasting the energy. You think that you are having bike and your friend is also having the bike. Both are neighbors and both joined in the same college. Why don't you choose one vehicle to go to the college instead of going on two vehicles individually? Choose one vehicle so that the petrol is saved there. It is nothing but conservation of energy. Oil is also a part of energy where you are protecting conservation of energy. Be an advocate to save our planet. Think, you think. When you think, automatically everyone also get the awareness how to protect this planet. Clear? Next, causes of environmental degradation. What are the causes? Land disturbance, pollution, overpopulation, landfills, deforestation and natural causes. Land disturbance. Okay, agricultural land is changed into real estate land. Is a live example for land disturbance. Okay, you are selling the agricultural land, and this agricultural land they are constructing the factory. So there is a disturbance of the land. You are cutting down the forest and the industry is constructed there. A good example for land disturbance. Pollution. Okay, industries are sending their outlets into the water. So which is also one of the reasons for water pollution. You are releasing, your vehicle is releasing chlorofluorocarbons into the atmosphere. Air pollution. Okay, land pollution. You are throwing the garbage, plastic onto the land. Land pollution. Overpopulation. Overpopulation is the main reason for all the problems existing in the country. Government is giving many types of remedial measures also for this overpopulation. Okay, hum do, hamara do, control the population. Clear? Of course, many are following, but still population should be controlled. We want the healthy population and strong population. Landfills. Just now I said you rivers are closed. Okay, small example I'll give you. In my own motherland, in my native place, a small river used to exist. Small, what do you say? Pond used to exist, where we used to play in that pond during summer season. So now that pond is not existing because they filled that pond with land and rocks and everything, and they changed it plain land. They sold out the land also. Landfills, deforestation, cutting down the plants, natural causes, atmosphere. Because of pollution, what is happening is floods are occurring. Okay, droughts are also occurring. This is also one of the reasons for the natural causes. High tides are created because of the oceanic disturbances. We are taking out all the mineral resources from the oceans. We are going deep inside using the machinery equipment to take out all the resources which are existing in the earth's crust. Because of that, the ocean life is disturbed, which is leading to high tides, causing the floods. A very good example. Next, when you go for effects of environmental degradation, so where are the effects shown? We are the people who are going to face the problem of human health. Okay, because of this radiations are increasing, cancer, different types of cancers are increasing. Diabetic is a very good reason. India is in number 1 place. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana is in 4th place in India in diabetes. Okay, human health. We are not eating the good foods because of no good proper agricultural system. Loss of biodiversity because the life has been completely disturbed. The ecosystem is completely disturbed. Ozone layer depletion, just now I said you some toxic chemicals are moving into the atmosphere and disturbing this layer also. Losses of tourism industry. Beauty. Only in Jammu and Kashmir and only in few parts of the country we are able to see the natural sceneries. So these places only the tourism is existing. Remaining all the places tourism is not existing. Warangal, 1000-pillar temple is a live example where they demolished the Warangal temple and tourism has been lost. No one is visiting there. One good example for loss for the tourism industry. Economic impact. This shows however you develop, how much ever you earn, when you are able to live in a polluted free atmosphere, and when you are able to consume a good and healthy food, then there is a reason, there is a good meaning of human life. So that's not existing. Indirectly human economic effect is coming. Causes for economic degradation, once again, deforestation, pollution, overpopulation, natural causes and extinction. Suggestions to overcome the degradation problems, social awareness should be created. Just now I said you one point. What is the point? On your birthday, you keep one small plant. Many people say, lecturers I such lecture dete rehte. No, you think, you do, you start. Once you start, automatically your friend is going to start. In this way, awareness is going to be created, because today I said, tomorrow you may say to someone else. Awareness always should start with us only. We should not wait for anyone to start the awareness. Population control, I can't help for this. Okay. Strict application of environmental conservation. Let's protect our environment. Government will protect. No, we should also protect. Afforestation campaign. Give the awareness to the people. The people surrounding to you. Please create the awareness about the afforestation. Water management. Many of the people spoils water. How to waste the solid waste? Suppose you are keeping a plant. I'll give a good example for the management of solid waste. Very good example. I'll give you a very simple example. Suppose on your birthday you kept one plant. Clear? Your mother is cutting onions. Your mother is cutting all the vegetables. The waste which is coming out from these vegetables, you keep that to your plant. What you kept? It is the best manure. A best ingredient which is helping the plant to grow perfectly. So, there is no waste. Garbage, half of the garbage is saved, means in the form of a manure to the plants what you are keeping. So, there is no chance of the solid waste. Improvement in housing. Okay, we are satisfied. We should get the satisfaction. Whatever I have, I am satisfied. Automatically pollution also stops, environmental degradation also is going to help you. So what I feel, what I want to say final to all the students, we are learning today, one topic came in Indian economy, that environmental degradation, and we discussed about this topic. But what I want to say is, everyone should concentrate on this environment. Why? Because today our life is over, okay, maximum achievement, that's all. Your future, where is your future? What is your future? Your future, you are going to eat only plastic. Your future has been stopped completely. Clear? So if you want to live a strong and healthy life, you should protect the environment. So I hope that environment should start with you only. Thank you. Thank you very much.